Hello, my name's Luke, technician here at Lectric e-bikes. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace and adjust the frame latch on our XP, XP Lite, and Premium bikes. This is one of our custom light bikes, outfitted by Unity Ride Shop. You're able to make these same customizations at your local bike shop. Before we get started, we're going to need a few tools. You'll need a 2mm Allen key and a 3mm Allen key. We'll start off with this 2.5. Two and a half, you're going to enter your set screw here. You're going to need to turn this set screw out. And from this angle, you're going to turn it towards you. Once you remove the set screw, be sure to set it somewhere because you don't want to lose that. At this point, you're going to need your number 3 to insert here to twist it out. And there you go. Once you have your old latch removed, you're now ready to install your new latch. Place that here. Go ahead and place your pen up here. And you're going to need to work that a little bit to try to find the holes to line up for the latch. I suggest using your number 3. Using this to hold that pin in place, you now have your set screw on your number 2, and you're going to install that back into place, turning it away from you. Feels firm? Remove. Your latch is now ready to go. You may need to make adjustments to here as far as the width coming in and out for a tighter fit. That you would do with your number 3. And turning it either way to bring it out or in to create the resistance for the latch. If you feel your lock isn't catching enough, you can use your number 3 here to make an adjustments on that pin to go up or down. You're good to go. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer support.